भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। We are on page number 150. मृल्लोह विस्फुलिंगाद्यैः सृष्टिर्या चोदितान्यथा उपायः सोवताराय नास्ति भेदः कथंचन। 15th कारिका और तृतीय अध्याय भाष्य लास्ट लाइन। पूर्वमपि परिहृत एव अयं दोषः। आफ्टर दैट स्वप्नवत् आत्ममाया विसर्जिताः संघाताः घटाकाशोत्पत्ति भेदादिवत् जीवानाम् उत्पत्ति भेदात् इति। Can you see Anumanam there? Atmamaya visarjitaha sanghataha घटाकाशोत्पत्ति भेदात् भेदादिवत् जीवानाम उत्पत्ति भेदात्। So जीवानाम उत्पत्ति भेदात् संघाताः is the paksha, आत्म माया विसर्जिताः is साध्य। हेतु जीवानाम उत्पत्ति भेदात्। दृष्टांत घटाकाशोत्पत्ति भेदादिवत् स्वप्नवत्। टू दृष्टांतस आर देयर। स्पष्टम? व्हाट इज द व्याप्ति? यत्र यत्र तत्र तत्र यत्र यत्र जीवानाम् उत्पत्ति भेदत्वम् तत्र तत्र आत्ममाया विसर्जितत्वम्। Wherever there is utpatti bheda of jiva, it is atma maya visarjita alone. Means it is the karyam of maya. One number tippani said, this was said in 10th karika. in this prakarana. Atraiva prakarane dashama karikayam uktam. Dashama karika was sanghata swapnavat sarve. So it was already said. Drishtanta is given swapna and ghatakasha. Ghatakasha utpatti is also Maya Visarjita. Maya Karya being Akashadi Prapancha. So the Bheda is Mayika. Utpatti is Mayika, Bheda is Mayika. Sanghata means these Shariradi, Panchakoshadi. Panchakoshadi, they are only Maya Karya. And therefore it is Mithya. So we have already seen this. Tika, previous page, last line. Yadi prakrutotpatyadishruti sakashad upakramopasamharaikarupiam tatparyalingam आकृष्य उद्भाव्य मृषा सृष्ट्यादिश्रुतेः स्वार्थपरत्वं परिहृतं तर्हि पुनरुपन्यासो वृथा स्यादिति आशंकते. यदि इफ प्रकृत उत्पत्त्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः उत्पत्ति नाश इत्यादि श्रुति यतो वा इमानि भूतानि 10 number टिप्पणी says उत्पत्त्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः सकाशात् उपक्रमोपसंहार एकरूप्यं तात्पर्यलिंगम आकृष्य उद्भाव्य. So having first determined the upakrama and upasamhara, two tatparyalinga, having established them first on the strength of yato vaimani ityadi shruti, then mrisha srishtyadi shrutehe swarthaparatvam parihritam. Therefore, srishtyadi shruti is mithya and it does not have swarthaparatvam. In other words, it is for parartha, it is not swartha. Srishti shruti does not want to speak about creation. Srishti shruti wants to speak about something else. Tarhi punaha upanyaso vridha syat iti ashankate. Then punaha upanyasa, presenting it again, would be vridha. It will be of no use. We have to remember, when we say entire Srishti is mithya, entire Srishti Shruti has no prayojanam by itself. In other words, no creation has prayojanam. No creation. We cannot say Bhagavan's creation has no prayojan, my creation has prayojanam. If Bhagavan's creation is without prayojanam, you and I, we creating something and we justify prayojanam there, we have not understood what is said by Shastra. So if Bhagavan's Srishti has no prayojan and I create a building and it has a prayojanam, your one building is nothing. You all Brahmanda has no prayojanam. So when it comes to Brahmanda, you say Ajatavada, Ajatavada. And your kutia, oh, my kutia has a prayojanam. My construction has prayojanam. तो पुनः उपन्यासो वृथा स्यात् इति आशंकते. In Bhashya, 11th line, 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 11th line इतः एव उत्पत्ति भेदादिश्रुतिभ्यः आकृष्य. Actually, in ita, one tippani is required, which is missing in this book. Itaha means prakritabhyah. You can write down. Itaha means prakritabhyah. Shrutibhyah. Eva उत्पत्ति भेदादि श्रुतिभ्यः आकृष्य इह पुनः उत्पत्ति श्रुतीनाम ऐदम पर्य प्रतिपिपाद ईर्षया उपन्यासः. उत्पत्ति भेदादि श्रुतिभ्यः. So उत्पत्ति भेद which is there in Shruti in different Upanishads. What we have to extract, akrishya, is the tatparya. What we have to understand is the upakrama upasamhara akrishya iha punaha utpatti shrutinam aidam parya pratipipada ishaya upanyasa. This alone, aidam parya means up to this, is the object of pratipadanam, this upanyasa. So all different shrutis, what are they trying to present? Only this much. What is that? That is arrived at through tatparya nirnaya. Now previous page, 1 number tippani we were seeing and we stopped actually. Mrulloha ityadi shlokasya vyakyananantaram. Can you find that on 150? So first line we had seen, Mrulloha visphulingadi drishtantopanyasaihi srishtirya anyatha udita chodita prakashita shrutya srishtehe anyatha prakashanam chadveda. Anyatha means in different ways. Srishti is spoken in different ways in different Upanishads. Anyatha is of two types. What is that? Krama akrama vyutkramadi rupena ekam aparam cha srishtavya ghatadi karyanam upadana mrudadi avyatirekena prakashanam. Ekam aparam cha srishtavya ghatadi karyanam. What is created is this ghata etc. Karya is mridadi avyatirikta. It is not different from mrid, which is the upadana. Upadana mridadi avyatirekena kasya prakashanam? Karyanam. Everybody found what I am reading? Upadana मृदादि अव्यतिरेकेण घटादि कार्याणाम प्रकाशनम. कार्यम तु कार्यमेव न तु कारणात्मकम. दिस इज द सेकंड. So two types of creation, as if one type is where somebody says karya is not different from karanam. Second says karya is karya, karana is karanam. Karyam karyam eva natu karanatmakam. Karya is not karanam. Why? Nahi dhrutadi kriya dadi sadhya. It should be gr, right? Grita. So it should be not drita, it should be grita. Grita means ghee. Ghee is a karyam. Dadhi is a karanam. What is ghee made up of? We made the change. Grita. Ghee is product of dahi. You make dahi and then I think they take the cream out from there and then they heat it, and that's how ghee is made, right? So, dahi to butter, butter to ghee. But what you can accomplish through ghee, you cannot accomplish through dahi. घृतार्थ क्रिया न दधि साध्य इति लोकनिश्चय. So means like if you want to take some Ayurvedic medicine, you have to take it with ghee. You can't take it with dahi. Instead of patient recovering, he may die. Dahi has different effect. So that means karya is different, karana is different. Both are. So this is parinamavada drishtanta. Dahi, from either you say from milk or from yogurt. इति लोकनिश्चयः. तद अन्यथात्वं हि कार्यं कारणाभिन्नम इति. So this is karyam. First one is karyam karanat bhinnam, and tad anyathatvam is karyam karana abhinnam. One is karya karana bheda, another is karya karana abheda. So Sankhya darshan is Sankhya yoga, and therefore Vedanta we say karya karana abheda. And न्याय वैशेषिक कार्य कारण भेद इति. तत्र प्रथम अन्यथात्वं, द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ अन्यथात्वं सृष्टेः विस्फुलिंगादि दृष्टान्तैः उदितं श्रुत्या मृल्लोहादि दृष्टान्तैश्च अपरम. So now you understood two types. What is the bheda between these two? The Visfulinga Drishtanta shows Karya is different, Karanam is different. According to Tippanikar, how he has put. And Mrulloha Srishti, Karya Karana Abheda. Clay, so Ghatadi is nothing but Mrittika. Abharanadi is nothing but Suvarna. Like that. And both are Shruti Prasiddham. Mrillohadi Drishtantaihi yad dvividham anyathatvam uditam srishtehe shrutya. So dvividho api anyathatva prakashana prakaraha srishtau shruti tatparya abhava nischaya purassaram upadeyam upadana bhinnam iti nischaya utpadana dvara जीव परमात्मैक्य बुद्धि अवताराय अवतार उपायो अस्माकम इत्यर्थः. मृल्लोहादि दृष्टान्तैः द्विविधम अन्यथात्वम उदितम सृष्टेः. By these examples, two types of creation is spoken by Shruti. Sadvividho api anyathatva prakashana prakara. These two types of prakashana prakara of Srishti, in that Shruti Tatparya Abhava, in that there is no Shruti Tatparyam. Shruti Tatparya Abhava Nishchaya Purassaram. First, we understand Shruti does not have Tatparya in Srishti. So our purpose of life is also not in any bahya accomplishment, any external achievement, accomplishment. There is no tatparyam in that. Just as Vedas, their tatparyam is in Brahmatma Aikya. My Jivana tatparya is also in Brahmatma Aikya alone. And we know that if we accomplish lot of things outside, I have this, I have that, and all that. It has no meaning. अभाव निश्चय पुरस्सरम उपादेयम उपादान अभिन्नम इति. उपादेय is उपादान अभिन्नम. उपादेय is कार्य, उपादान is कारण. कार्य is not different from कारणम. इति निश्चय उत्पादन द्वारा, निश्चय उत्पादन द्वारा. By this, what are we arriving at? जीवात्मा परमात्मा ऐक्य. So, I had mentioned from 11th Karika onwards, the Jivatma Paramatma Aikya is pointed out. So, Jivatma Paramatma Aikya is for showing that Jiva is not different from Brahma, and also that creation is not different from Brahma. So here, by showing that the creation, Upadeya, is not different from Upadanam, by that, Nishchaya Utpadana Dwara, this Nishchaya, when it is arrived at, it appears in my buddhi, then through that Jiva Paramatma Aikya Buddhi Avatar Upayo Asmakam. This will become the means to understand that Jiva is not different from Brahma. If Jiva is not different from Brahma, then Jiva Utpatti is not there. And if Jagat is not different from Brahma, Jagat Utpatti is also not there. This is Ajati Samatam Gatam. This is the Upaya. Buddhi Avatar Upaya. Buddhi Avatar means in my buddhi to get this knowledge dawn. Atra cha mrulloha visfulinga iti drishtanta dvaividya anuruddho अन्यथा शब्दश चकार सहकारेण अर्थद्वैविध्य पर्याप्तः इति. अत्र च मृल्लोह विस्फुलिंग आदि इति दृष्टांत द्वैविध्य अनुरुद्धः अन्यथा सृष्टिर्या चोदितान्यथा. अन्यथा अन्यथा means in different ways, because अन्यथा means mrulloha is one kind, visphulingadi is another kind. In this way, this is how Tippanikar has presented Anyatha Anyatha. Shabda Chakara Sahakarena Arthadvaividya Paryaptaha. Acha, Chodita he has taken as Cha Udita in this way. Chodita is also a Shabda, one kind, but he has taken as Cha Udita, because in this Vyakhyanam he has presented it that way, Cha Udita. Anyatha Udita, if you see first line, Mrulloha Visfulinga, first line of Tippani, Lingadi Drishtanta Upanyasa is Srishtir ya Anyatha Udita Prakashita. Cha Udita, that Chakara Sahakarena. So Chakara is talking about two types. Dvaividya Paryaptaha iti. Yadyapi mridadi shrutihi na braviti. Upadana upadeyoho abhedam. Somebody may ask how mridadi shruti is talking about Upadana upadeya abhedam. Between Upadana Karana and Karya, there is Abheda. That is not said directly. Mukhatah it doesn't say. Tathapi. Jnatam Brivana Upadeya Upadanam Upadeyam Upadana Jnanataha Tatparyataha Tam Vakti. उपादेय उपादान ज्ञातः ज्ञानतः तात्पर्यतः. to the knowledge of the upadeya, upadana and its tatparya. Through tatparya, it says this. Jnatam bruvana. Tathapi, it is jnatam, it becomes known from bruvana upadeyam upadana jnanata. When Shruti speaks of, bruvana means to speak. Bru dhatu shanach pratyaya. So, bruvana will become the adjective for, bruvana will be adjective for what? Shruti. Bruvana Shruti. उपादेयम उपादान ज्ञानतः तात्पर्यतः तम वक्ति नहि घट ज्ञानम पटे ज्ञातताम प्रयोजयति इति. घट ज्ञानम is not for पट प्रयोजनम, पट ज्ञान प्रयोजनम. घट ज्ञानम is for मृत्तिका ज्ञानम in this. So सृष्टि is for its उपादान ज्ञानम. Mukhato, also it says otherwise. How? Mukhato piva vacharambanam ityadi amshatah tam braviti. Shrutihi tam braviti. Tam upadana upadeyoho abhedam braviti. That upadana upadeya is one by saying vacharambanam is there. Now you come back to टीका. Second line, next page. उत्पत्त्यादि श्रुतीनाम मिथ्या सृष्टि परत्वम पूर्वम उक्तम. There is a discussion, interesting discussion that comes in Advaita Siddhi. What is that? Because this is Advaita Prakarana. There also it is presented. Vedanta mantras, vakyas, are they satyam or mithya? Vedanta vakya janya jnanam brahmakar vritti is satyam or mithya? Vedanta vakya janya jnanasya pramanyam, is it pramana or not? That pramanyam in brahmakar vritti, is it satyam or mithya? If Vedanta is mithya, if brahmakar vritti is mithya, if pramanya in brahmakar vritti is mithya, then tat pratipadya Brahma, how can it be Satya? Does Brahmakar vritti have sambandha with Brahma or not? Okay. Does Ghatakar vritti have sambandha with Ghata or not? Does Patakar vritti have sambandha with Pata or not? Does Brahmakar vritti have sambandha with Brahma or not? Yes or no? Then how, without sambandha, you can say Brahmakar vritti reveals Brahma? Why would you even call it as Brahmakar vritti if Brahmakar vritti has no sambandha with Brahma? You can call it Devadattakar vritti. Why call Brahmakar? There is sambandha between Brahmakar vritti and Brahma. Otherwise, Brahmakar vritti's Vishaya will be something else. If Ghatakar vritti's Vishaya is Ghata, Brahmakar vritti Vishaya has to be Brahma only. Brahma Vishayi Kurvana Vritti. In Vedanta Sara, it is given. But the sambandha between Brahmakar Vritti, which is Anatma, and Brahma, which is Atma, is Adhyasa. Sambandha is Adhyasa Sambandha. So, because of this Adhyasa, Brahmakar Vritti appears to be associated with Brahma. But all are mithya. Vedanta, Vedanta Janya Vritti, Vrittehe Pramanyam, all three are mithya, and still Brahma becomes the Vishaya of this mithya vritti. When we say Srishti is mithya, means all this is part of Srishti only. Everything is within Srishti. Everything is mithya. Utpatyadi Shrutinam Mithya Srishti Paratvam Purvam Uktam. So, Utpatyadi Srishti Mithya Srishti Paratvam. This is already spoken earlier. इहतु तासां ब्रह्मात्मैक्ये तात्पर्य प्रतिपादनेच्छया पुनः उपन्यासः सिद्ध्यति. So, mithya srishti paratvam, srishti is mithya, that is already said. Now, why are you bringing this topic again? To show brahmatmaikye tatparyam. Utpatti Shruti is talking about Brahmatma Aikya. Not only that Srishti is mithya. Brahmatmaikya tatparya pratipadanechaya punaha upanyasaha siddhyati iti uttaram aha. Punaha upanyasaha siddhyati. And therefore, once again, bringing this Shruti is justified. Because earlier it was for Srishti Mithyatva. Now it is for Brahmatma Aikya. Iha punaha in Bhashya. Iha punaha, we saw that line. Utpatti Shruti Nam Aidam Parya Pratipipada Ishaya Upanyasa. Here it is for this Tatparya. Tatparya, I told you, which is Jiva Brahma Aikya. Tatparya Pratipadana Ichha. Tika. Padatraya Gatani Aksharani Yojayati. The Padatraya Gata Akshara. Mrulloha Visfulingadyehi Srishtirya Choditanyatha Upaya Sovadaraya. Up to that, we explains now in Bhashya. Mrulloha Visfulingadi Drishtantopanyasaihi Srishtihi Ya Chodita. See now here. Chodita is given as one word. Ya Srishtihi Chodita Prakashita. Anyatha cha. Prakashita Anyatha cha. Second and third number tippani. Anya, so see third number tippani says Udita iti chedena labdham chakaram saphalayati. So if you do Udita, this kind of vicheda, then chakara is separated. Cha Udita. That is Anyatha cha in this way. Srishtirya Chodita Anyatha. Anyatha cha. Bhashyakara also has presented that Anyatha cha to show cha udita prakashita. And second number tippani, nanu etaihi drishtantaihi brahma vijnanena sarva vijnanam uktam natu brahmanaha sakashat sarvasya srishtihi ukta iti. Etaihi drishtantaihi brahma vijnanena sarva vijnanam uktam. By brahma vijnana, Sarva Vijnana happens, Sarva Vijnana Uktam. Natu Brahmanaha Sakashat. Not in the proximity ब्रह्मणः सकाशात् सर्वस्य सृष्टिः उक्ता इति मृद इत्यादि असंगतम इति चेतना उपादान ज्ञानेन उपादेय ज्ञानम दृष्टान्तयन्ति ब्रह्म ज्ञानेन सर्वज्ञानोपपत्तये सर्वस्य ब्रह्मोपादेयत्वम् अभिप्रैति मृदादि श्रुतिः इति बोध्यते. Somebody says these examples, what they are saying is by Brahma Vijnana you will get all Vijnana. They are not saying Brahma is Upadana Karana and Jagat is Karyam. Natu Brahmana Sakashat Sarvasya Srishti. From Brahma everything has come. That is not said. Somebody may ask, Brahma Jnana will give you Jnanam of all. Iti chet na. How is this possible unless Brahma is Upadanam? Upadana Jnanena Upadeya Jnanam Drashtantayanti Shrutihi. Shruti, which is giving this Drashtanta, Brahma Jnanena Sarva Jnanopapattaye. For this Upapatti, this Yukti, that how is it possible that by Brahma Jnana Sarva Jnanam will happen? So the Yukti is Upadana Jnanena Upadeya Jnanam. And therefore Sarvasya Brahma Upadeyatvam Abhipraiti. Everything has Brahma as its Sarvasya Brahmopadeyatvam means Sarvam Brahmopadeyam. Sarvasya Brahmopadeyatvam means Sarvam Brahmopadeyam. Brahmopadeyam means Brahmanaha Upadeyam. Shashti. From Brahma, everything has arrived. This is revealed by Mridadi Shruti. Shruti hi abhipraiti. This is the abhipraya of Shruti. अन्यथा च भाष्य स सर्वः सृष्टि प्रकारो जीव परमात्मा एकत्व बुद्धि अवताराय उपायो अस्माकम. The सृष्टि प्रकार of any kind, सर्वः सृष्टि प्रकार, for us जीवात्मा परमात्मा ऐक्य बुद्धि I should get. In other words, I am Brahma. All Srishti has this prayojana. If you say in a particular sequence, starting from Akasha, starting from Teja, whatever you want to say, Yugapat, Kramena, whichever way, Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya is the objective, nothing else. If I don't understand I am Brahma, there is no point in doing anything else. There is no point in taking lot of pictures if I don't understand I am Brahma. यह शब्द शक्त्या प्रतीयते न स श्रुत्यर्थो भवति. That which is arrived at through Shabda Shakti is not Shrutyartha. What is arrived at through Shabda Shakti is Shakyartha. Shakyartha is nothing but Vachyartha. Vachyartha in the language of Nyaya is called Shakyartha. And Vachya is called Shakya there. So, Lakshana there is Shakya Sambandha Lakshana. In that way they define. न स श्रुत्यर्थो भवति किंतु तात्पर्यगम्यस्यैव श्रुत्यर्थता इति अत्र दृष्टान्तमाह. तात्पर्यगम्यस्य एव श्रुत्यर्थता. What is known through the Tatparya, in that Shrutis are meaningful. Means Shrutis are talking only of that. They don't have other things to talk. Means in our life also we should understand, I should not have other things to talk. This is the only main reason. Everything else should boil down to Jiva Brahma Aikya. This is the arthata. इति दृष्टान्तम आह यथा च सर्व सृष्टि प्रकार वागादीनाम. Now this is the samvada shruti. वागादीनाम प्राणानाम aham shreyan iti mithah sangharshah samvada. Example is there. Now what is the purpose of this pranadinam samvada? Aham shreyan, I am shrestha. Iti, this sangharsha is mitha, it is of no use. Mitha sangharsha samvada. Tatra ya akhyayika shruyate. In Brahadaranyaka Chandogya, this akhyayika is given. Na asau shrutyartho bhavati. This is not where Shruti has any tatparya. Vagadinam achetanatvat. How can Vagadi Shruti, Vagadi speak? They themselves don't have organs. Vagadinam, and they are jada, achetanatvat. तथा सृष्ट्यादि श्रुतिरपि न स्वार्थे तात्पर्यवती इत्यर्थः. सृष्ट्यादि श्रुति also in स्वार्थ there is no तात्पर्य. उदाहरणांतरम सूचयति in भाष्य. यथा प्राण संवादे वागादि असुर पाप्म वेधा दी आख्यायिका कल्पिता. So this comes in Brahadaranyaka. Asuras, they poison the Vagadi. Actually, Vagadis, they have themselves this negativity, sins. So they are not able to accomplish anything great. They have swartha. So when the Asuras saw they have weakness, Asuras hit them. And Vagadi got defeated. Wherever there is selfishness, that thing suffered. Prana did not have selfishness. And therefore, Asuras could not do anything of Prana. This is the story. In other words, Prana is great. Prana is nothing but Hiranyagarbha. Therefore, you should do Hiranyagarbha Upasana. This is how the whole story was presented. So, the Vagadi Nam Papma Vedhadi Akhyayika, that they were stung by the Papa. Papma Vedha. Veda here is Vidh Dhatu. To get associated, I think, that is in the meaning. Vidhatu, where is it used to, do you know? Vidhu vidhane pranavodhanuhu, then vedhavyam sharavat tanmayo bhavat. That vedhavyam is vidhatu. This akhyayika kalpita is a kalpita akhyayika for prana vaishishtya bodha avataraya. That prana is superior to all the indriyas. In Tika, Devasura Sangrame Devaha Tavad Asuran Abhibhavitum Yajnam Upachakramire. Devatas, there was Devasura Sangrama. Then at that time, what did Devata do? In order to defeat asuras abhibhavitum yajnam upachakramire. So they initiated this yajna, lit lakar. Because whenever any story is there between devatas and asuras, you can literally close your eyes and say it is lit lakar. Because it never happened yesterday or few days back. Deva Asura Sangram happened way back. So it is Paroksha Bhuta Kala. Correct? Vagadincha Udgatratvena Vavrire. Vavrire. This is also lit lakar. So Vagadin were chosen. Vrana. Vruvarane. There they were selected to do Samagana, Udganam. So they were told, okay, you do this Udganam. When Asuras found out, oh, this Vag Devata is appointed for this. Tanscha Vagadin Kalyana Asangajena. It should not be Asangajena. Asangaj. Two avagrahas are needed there. Asangajena Papmana Asura Vividhuhu. What did Asuras do? Vividhuhu. Vividhuhu is also lit. Vivedha Vividhatuhu Vividhuhu. Pratham Purush Bahuvachana. So what did Asura do? With the sin, they hit the Vagadi Devata. Ityadi Akhyayika. This Akhyayika cha na yatha shrutartha. This is elaborated in Brihadaranyaka. It is not for yatha shruta artha. Vagadinam vak abhavena. Vagadis don't have organ of speech. Vag abhavena. Udgana asamarthyat. They are not capable of any udgana. Kintu Asuraihi adharshitatvat pranotkrantau dehapata prasiddhescha pranaha shrestho bhavati. On the other hand, Asuraihi adharshitatvat. So by the Asura, they were hit. They were Vagadi Devatas were affected, but Prana was not affected by that. Pranotkrantau dehapata prasiddhescha. Dharshanam means they are suffocated. They are oppressed. Vagadi Devatas were oppressed by Asuras, but not Prana. So Vagadi Devatas were weak. So when Prana is not there, they couldn't do anything. Only if Prana is there, they could fight. That's why it is given the example, when Prana departs, Prana utkrantau dehapata prasiddhescha pranaha shrestho bhavati iti. Prana vaishishtya nishchaye buddhi avatara sheshatvena sa kalpita, sa shruti kalpita. Prana vaishishtya nishchaya is done through this. Tathaiva, in the same way, prakrite api srishtyadi shrutehe swarthe tatparya abhavat. Srishtyadi shruti do not have swarthe tatparyam tat karyasya tad vyatirekena abhavat. Tat karyasya srishtyadi karya. Srishti karya jagat. So also tad vyatirekena abhavat means it doesn't have prayojanam other than the prayojanam of srishtyadi shruti. So swartha tatparya is not there. Tad vyatirekena abhavat तदेव अस्ति इति अद्वैत बुद्धि अवतार उपायत्वेन. Tadeva asti means Karanam alone is in Karyam. Tadeva asti iti Advaita Buddhi Avatara Upayatvena Srishtyadi Prakriya Kalpita. Srishtyadi Prakriya is only for this purpose. Ityarthaha. Devata Shabda Prayoga Chetanatvam Vagadinam iti Mukhyarthatvam Samvadadi Shravanasya. Okay, this line we'll see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.